Detail check. They told me this is the best product in Cape Town, but they haven't met a perfectionist yet. So let's see if it passes the detail check. So I got here some veluda that I bought yesterday. The first one is from Woolworths, as you can see there, and the second one is from Classic. So I'm gonna do a taste test to see which one is the best one. So I'm gonna open the Classic one first and see. As you can see, it's nice and cold. I'm gonna taste it. It's the ready-made one. Okay, this is the one of Classic. As you can see there, this is the one of Classic. So let's taste this one. So what do you think? Nice and sweet.
Almost like Gooba.
Okay.
Like Gooba aftertaste.
Okay. So you say it is? I say it's nice and sweet. But let's give the one of wood. That's the Classic one we did. So let's see the one of Woolworths. Okay. We'll give our final verdict when this one is done. Okay. So here's the Woolworths one. Let's taste. What do you think? So Woolworths.
Classic.
The Classic one to me is much more sweeter.
The Classic is much sweeter, stronger.
I think if I must describe the Woolworths one tastes for me more to a Nesquik. Very much to a Nesquik. And I'm gonna share the prices with you. So the one for Classic, there's the price, as you can see, was $39.99. And then obviously Woolworths must always exaggerate with their prices. So there's Woolworths price at $52.99. That's for a 750, and for a liter of Classic is $39.99. My feedback is still it's very nice. It's cold. See, as it's the season for Faluda. The Classic one is much more sweeter. It tastes very nice with spicy aftertaste, and the Woolworths one is more to a Nesquik taste. What do you think? What do you think?
Prefer this one.
So you think the Classic one is the winner? Okay, guys. So my personal favorite, as you heard, is the Classic one. The flavor is much more intense, so it needs the detail check. Definitely get yourself the one from Classic.